Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a thieves cleaner for our house, a hand soap, an immune roller, and a room spray. So everything that we need to ditch the chemicals and stay our healthiest. Alright, the first thing we're going to make is the Thieves Household Cleaner. I really like this one because it's chemical free and you only have one bottle and it cleans everything in your house. So $22 and it's super concentrated, so I'm going to show you how to make it so it lasts a really long time. So you just get a glass bottle, and if you get plastic, just make sure that it's a really good plastic that's not going to absorb the oils, and the oils aren't going to pull the plastic particles out of it. So you just get, so for a window cleaner, this is how I would do it. Just get one capful. And put it in here and fill it up with water. So as I'm filling it up, I just want to show you on the back of the bottle, it has different dilution ratios. So depending on what you're cleaning, you're going to dilute it according to that. So once it gets filled, I didn't fill it up all the way, but that's it, just water and this Thieves cleaner, and that's all you need for every single use in your house. So windows, floors, bathrooms, anything. The only other thing I would do is add a almond oil to this if you want to clean your wood furniture, or if you wanted more of like a soft scrub, I would just sprinkle some baking soda and then spray this, and it works really well for getting like deep into nasty grease. One thing I want to say about the Thieves Household Cleaner is there are sulfates in here, so you might be thinking, well, that's not chemical free, but they are derived from coconut oil, so don't be alarmed. It's still plant-based, chemical-free cleaner. We just get our sulfates from a different source, not a toxic source. The next thing we're going to make is the Thieves hand soap, and you have two different options. You can use the Castile soap, or you could use this refill. So this refill is for 4 hand soaps, but the way I dilute it is I only fill it up to here, about maybe a third or a quarter of the way, and then I fill the rest up with water because this is so concentrated. You still get a really good hand soap doing it that way. So I use this, but a DIY that you can do is Castile soap, and you fill it up the same amount. So about there. Okay, so then you can use any oils you want. I shoot for maybe like Thieves or lavender, something that's more strong smelling, something that is gonna clean on top of the soap. So I will do both. How about that? So if you do like 10 drops of each, I think that will be good. And then lavender, 10 drops. 1, 2. Okay, and then when you're filling up with water, just be aware of this piece. Don't fill it up all the way and then stick this in, because then it will overflow. Okay. It's not too bad, but that was perfect. Alright, and there's your hand soap. So one thing I want to say about the hand soap is, not about this one, but the ones that you're using maybe at home or if you go out, be aware of the smell whenever it gets on your hand. If it sticks, think about all the other chemicals that are in there that are also sticking to your hand. Remember that fragrance can be any number of ingredients. The companies are protected by law that they don't have to disclose what's in the ingredients, so anything could be in that word fragrance. So if you go on Netflix and look up the movie Stink, that will give you a breakdown of everything that kind of is fragrance. So just be cautious of the hand soaps that you're using. It might seem like it's just hand soap and it's just one tiny thing that you're doing, but if you look up VitaFlex, you can see all the parts of our body that are linked to our hands our skin is our largest organ. It absorbs everything. So remember, whatever you're smelling on your hand, that's sticking and being absorbed into your skin. So it might seem like a little thing, but it's actually a really big thing that you're doing and that you can eliminate that will improve your health. Okay, the next thing we're making is a immune roller, and I chose thieves, lemon, and oregano for this roller because these are really good for your immune system. Thieves was actually created because in the 15th century, when the plague was here, the robbers were stealing from the dead and the ill, and they weren't getting sick because they were rubbing themselves with these herbs. And when they got caught, the judge asked them to disclose what they were using, and they would get a lesser sentence. So this is the thieves oil, and that's the story behind where we got the name. So we're going to use 15 drops of this one. And then we're going to use lemon. I really like lemon because all of the citrus oils have limonene in them, which is really good for detoxing, but also for some things that I can't say. So if you look up limonene on Google, you'll find out all the benefits of limonene. So if our cells are detoxed, then it will help for our bodies to function better. So we're going to do 15 drops of this. I wasn't really counting. So there. And then the next one is oregano. Oregano actually has antioxidants in it, and it's a really good immune stimulant, but also for our respiratory system. This is a spicy oil. I don't know if you would think that it would be spicy, but that's why we're only going to add 5 drops. Okay. And then I really like this V6 oil. There's a lot of other oils that you can use as a fatty oil to dilute it. This is just a very neutral oil, and it's just 6 different vegetable oils from Young Living. You could also use olive oil or coconut oil or jojoba oil. Those are my other favorites. And that's it. So you just put it on your spine or on your hands. Like I said, it's linked to everything, but also your feet are linked too. So if you put it on your feet, it will help to absorb it and reach the different organs of your body and go to where it needs to go. So whatever you're having issue with, the oils will actually go there and help fight in that area, and they'll stick there longer. So the more unhealthy you are, they'll stay in your body longer, but if you're healthy, you'll kind of get rid of them faster. Okay, the last thing we're going to make is a room spray, and you can kind of do different things with this. So you could do lavender for a pillow spray to help you sleep at night. You could do thieves as a to clean the areas that you are spraying it on. So if you just haven't been feeling well and people are coming over, you could use it to spray your couch. You could use it to also spray surfaces, so if you go out. And then purification if you wanted like a bathroom spray or even around your house just to freshen everything up. I like lavender. It's just a very strong scent, so I really like this one. But I also really love thieves and purification, but we'll just do lavender for this. So you just add 20 drops, and a lot of people will add like a vodka to it to help to mix in the oils with the water. I don't do that. I usually just shake it before I use it, and it works just as well. So then if you get your water, fill it up. Whoop. Filled it up a little bit too much. That is it. A lot of people will put the oil straight in their toilet and use it as like a poopery. So you could do that too if you wanted kind of just the air freshener for the room in a different kind of way. But that is the room spray. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and share, comment if you have any questions, and look in the description below for some more recipes. And I will see you guys soon. Bye!